When you're running events, you might be lucky enough to run into the powerful moment. The unreplicatable ripple in an ocean of time, created by your hands, your friends' hands, and the hands of a community who love music.
What up, people and gentlemen? I'm here with my nigga Biko Maq.
I'm chilling, bro. I'm not about to make
We about to go crazy. Don't listen to him.
Tell me, fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Dance it with me, dance it with me.
So bass, man. I'm playing like a guitar,
Nigga, sing.
Biko, bro.
Can't do shit.
Hello, everybody. My name is Biko Maq.
Say something important for black people.
Remember how beautiful blackness is. Remember how beautiful blackness is. Remember how beautiful blackness is. Remember how beautiful blackness is.
Especially if you have black scarf.
Khumbula. Ubuhle bobunzulu.
Ngahura.
My life is so close, wish you in. Blood in my mouth, I'll answer the sin. Here we go, I gotta wish you in.
I'm with K again because I wasn't shooting the last time.
So I ran 352, babe.
Hey, man, you should have been there for swiping 300. Anyways, I'm about to have my set. Pretty cute set. Out here. At Sonic Vibration.
Oh, I can hear you.
Give it up for
The end of Sonic Vibrations meant that we can now go full speed into the ideas of the mango farm. It's the promotion of every new mango farm that makes you have to ask, what's going to be different from this one compared to the last? Our Meet the Farmers campaign was something we invented to humanize the people putting this whole thing together. This wasn't you going to some event curated by some big businessman in Santon. This is you coming to watch us, your friends, create something just for you.
What up, y'all? We're at the airport. You know how it is. There he is. Our boy.
Ever seen him?
The boys had gone to the airport, and the entire plan of that was us just going to see him and take a cute picture for Instagram. But I guess the boy just couldn't resist the charm of the boys. Instead of going home, this brother chose to hang out with us. The first thing he did, coming straight from the USA, and we went to get ice cream. Because we're rich.
This air is too conditioned, right?
See, if when you're conditioned, the air is too much cold, you know. It's kind of anti-black.
It's programmed. It's programmed air. No, it's programmed.
I'm eating a cornetto.
Mango Farm is months away, and you can't be a rock star all the time, so sometimes you just have to get busy living.
Guys, sometimes you need to just be committed to your diet. Yeah, it feels like Instagram is just against me. You know what I mean? And then this is the next thing I see. You know what I mean? It's like, and that's motivation.
Change your life around.
Because it's like you go from this to this, and it's like, nah, nigga, you need to lock the fuck in.
Every day of February was kind of really like this. Days are really slow, cooking to pass the time, and we were just getting ready now for the meetings. That's when everything starts to take shape.
He'll sell what he does, and then we'll still get 50% of basic profits, but also.
But I think, yo, man, we need to make this money.
spent weeks before the event trying to find an idea of what his live set would sound like. That meant playing with loopers, experimenting with other musicians such as Jiggy Stapes when he had the opportunity to, really just trying to figure out that identity. And with so much time left, we were all nervous, but I trust he'd figure it out.
What's good, YouTube? What's good?
Hello, Humies. We're back. We just came from the store. We bought everything we need to just make these new merch. And now we're rehearsing, getting ready for the mango farm. The weather is kind of crazy. So I'm really hoping this isn't one of those extra challenges that we keep getting that make the show have to be a bit more interesting, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Big week, big 2 weeks. But we in here, we in this bitch.
Biko's a really close friend of ours we've gotten closer to with our time around the LOC. His life set was going to be something very different from what the Mango Farm has been doing.
I'm the cameraman.
Being around him really lets you understand that his brain just works differently. He understands music in a way that artists do, but also session players do. I mean, I guess all those are artists if you really want to be technical about it. Either way, it's a privilege to be able to create a stage and put your very best friend at the top of that to shine. We didn't doubt for a single second that he was going to miss his moment.
Say something wise for my vlog. Yelele, yelele. Yelele. Wiser words were never spoken. Say something to inspire the kids.
Hey yo, what's good? What's happening? It's your boy Major with the flavor, getting paper me outside, man. If you don't make money, you go suffer.
Those are the hardest
Those are the hardest
I've ever
bars,
heard in my life.
All time.
If you don't make money, you go out.
You they suffer.
Hey chat, so we're trying to screen print some shirts. We have paint and retardant as well. So like, should we wash the screen after every print? What would you suggest we do, chat?
So you don't need to wash the screen after every single print, but you definitely want to keep the screen from drying out.
Right.
You know, a few drops or maybe 1 to 5% of the total paint volume, depending on how thick it is. I'd say start with a tiny amount, mix it thoroughly and test it out. If it's still thick, you can add a bit more, but you don't want it too runny. So it's kind of a little dance of testing and adjusting.
There is nothing like the day before an event. It's like a cool mixture between being really excited and being incredibly stressed by every little thing everyone's doing. We experience all of that
Currently screen printing some shirts for Mango Farm. It's going pretty good so far. We messed up a few, but like I think that's what makes it dope is that they're one of a kind, you know. That's how that we did. We fucked them up. Fuck those.
Like we need bare hands,
More indie events need safe havens to host. And that's where Lemonade Studios comes in. A place that's slowly become our new home. The aesthetic of it just carries everything.
You stop here, man. What's up?
I'm talking about the job. Yeah. I'm not talking about the job. I'm talking about the job. She says something, she's like, don't tell me you're scoffing.
No, don't worry. Why this is dope? It's gonna be blurred.
I say every
What's up?
I'm a camera.
You will have more eyes on you tomorrow.
Having been around 16 for a very long time, you can tell that this show was very different from the Babble Hume shows. Boy was eager to impress, working hard.
How do you feel about the 3 points? Yeah. Oh, I'm sweating. The game was a success. The boys worked really hard. Get in there, lads.
Yeah.
You just use that like
Mega man.
one shot.
Be the sand, no sand, no sand. Be the man, tell the sand, make a plan, make a band, make some bands. Count to 10, make a plan, make a band, make some bands. Cash.
Ish.
Get your tote bags. Get your mango farm tote bags.
Get your mango farm tote bags.
Nah, it looks.
Yeah, guys, mango farm.
I wonder who that is.
It's like kung fu, you know? They're like,
Who the hell you pooping, nigga? I'm pooping at you. Okay.
Say something not good for the kids. We shall pass it to the bags. What you say?
So we out here for real. The setup is still grinding.
Pre-show.
But niggas are early for sound check. 10 points for blacks, y'all.
10 points for urgency, time management, and effort. We are cut.
Now listen, it wouldn't be sound check without a lot of things going wrong. But that's why we do it. That's why there's the sound check. Hours before the show were really stressful. Mics were dying, things weren't connecting. Some of the connections were taking way too long to make. I'm not a sound guy. I'm just telling you what happened on the day because I just happened to hear it.
Legendary. Don't kill my.
Say something inspired the kids, Biko at Mango Farm.
Follow what you dreamt of the last night.
Soundcheck had officially cut. And now, soaking in the vibes.
Say something to inspire the kids, nigga.
Hey man, mango farming this bitch.
Nervous enough, these doors open and all these cool cats start pouring into the room.
This number though. This one though. It must be real tough teams.
Life is a funny way of casting doubt into every plan you make. And the only way to find out if it's ever gonna work out is to do it.
You didn't feel that feeling.
fortunately or unfortunately, plans will always have consequences whether they work out or not. And our consequence
You've actually
is having
said
to
sweep off the top
every
layer there.
single carpet.
Yeah, I've already started sweeping off like some.
What's up, y'all? We're not sweeping carpets after Mango Farm. Shit looking crazy. Luke, how are you feeling after Mango Farm?
Yo, I've been going through my IG. Wow. Love is immense.
You know what would be nice though? You guys ever nearby Spaza? I'm getting my Spaza here.
Nah, dog, Spaza's in the bird.
In the bird, man. Like you guys like chocolate. I want like chocolate chips.
The closest we get to a Spaza is just a spa that doesn't look nice, bro. Whoa, Mango Farm is over. Now we're resting for weekly catch up, which is tomorrow. Prepared, ready, mentally there. Mango Farm was dope, but it's over now. It's Babble Hume time. It's like we planned it.
We finna do this. And then when I say it's Babble Hume time.
Say something to inspire the kids.
Don't do drugs.
Huh?
Don't do drugs.
You don't even mean
Don't do drugs.
Why are you giving the kids advice you don't mean?
Nobody ever means don't do drugs, man. Everybody knows that. Get started.